been on safari in Africa and on a riverboat floating through the depths of the jungle. Welcome to our Quick Pick series where we take two popular attractions, restaurants, or hotels and compare them side by side. Hey, this is Dora with Make Time for Magic, and we are making time for the Jungle Cruise in the Magic Kingdom and the Kilimanjaro Safari in the Animal Kingdom. So we are starting in the Magic Kingdom, where we will head into Adventureland to find our first pick, the Jungle Cruise. This is a slow and smooth boat ride. A Disney cast member plays the role of your skipper, who is guiding you on your perilous journey down the rivers of the African, Asian, and South American jungles. The queue for this ride has you entering the Jungle Navigation Trading Company's headquarters, where you will make your way to the dock to board your riverboat and meet your skipper. The cast members really seem to have a lot of fun with this one, making this ride loads of fun and very popular.
Get down, get down, get down! Get down! Get down! Get down tonight, yeah. Put them over your I've been waiting for. The backside of We have now made it to the Maytime River. And up ahead is the temple. You folks want to go in? Yeah. Yeah, well, it is a great answer because I can't turn this boat around anyway.
The wait times for the Jungle Cruise can get pretty high, but the queue for this is shaded and it moves pretty steady. There are no height restrictions here, and it is available for a Fast Pass ride reservation. This one is definitely a fun pick for all ages for sure. Our second pick takes us to Disney's Animal Kingdom. Here, we will make our way to the Harambe Market in Africa to find the Kilimanjaro Safari attraction. Guys, this attraction is on our must-do list every trip. You get some super amazing up-close views of some really awesome wildlife. And each time we go, we see something different.
Those white-feathered friends hanging out with those hippopotamus are pink-backed pelicans. Now, pink-backed pelicans, they obviously don't get their name for the coloring of their feathers, but more the coloring their back gets during mating season. And once they do find that perfect mate, both the male and female, they work together on creating that nest for their young. I like to say it just takes a team. Now, I would like to remind everyone, children included, please remain seated for me at all times, guys, for everyone's safety. I don't want to bump anyone out, especially going over this bridge and with those Nile crocodile on your left. Would not be fun.
The backstory here has evolved through the years, but at the time of this video, you will find yourself embarking on a safari in the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. This attraction is an excellent use of a Fast Pass ride reservation because it is extremely popular and can experience very long wait times. The queue for this attraction is shaded, however, and features television monitors in certain areas. No height restrictions for this highly recommended pick. I do want to point out, though, that this is a very bumpy ride, especially if you are seated in the back of the vehicle. Overall, both of these attractions are super fun and will make great options for any age. So those are our quick picks, the Jungle Cruise and the Kilimanjaro Safari, two attractions that routinely make our must-do list at Disney World. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button so that you will know anytime we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and remember, time is precious, so be sure to make time to create those magical memories.